Hi everyone, if you want to check the remaining maintenance box capacity, what is the remaining capacity, how to check, today I'm going to show a quick demo. Any kind of Epson printer, right now I have L6270. If you have a screen like this and you want to make sure that the remaining capacity of maintenance box, how to check, you have to go here, maintenance tab in your printer and press OK. Then in the maintenance tab you have to move down and then you will find remaining capacity of maintenance box. Then you have to press OK. So it's showing the remaining capacity. So now there is a confusion that what is the remaining capacity, is the white color is remaining or the gray color is remaining. So you have to make sure, keep in mind that the white color is not a remaining capacity. The gray color is remaining capacity of the maintenance box. It means that the white color is showing that is the usage. It means this printer has 25% usage of the maintenance box, still 75% life remaining. So there is a confusion in these printers. We cannot make sure that before we run power cleaning process, we cannot make sure about the remaining capacity. So in this printer, the gray color is indicating the remaining capacity and the white color is used maintenance box. If you have any other question, ask down in the comments and don't forget to subscribe the channel.